as well as there. Cool. Then we have the slow gin. Slow gin is a gin flavored with slow fruit. Cool. Slow fruit is like a plum. No plum?
It's kind of liquid.
Yes. So now let's go with the production. As I discussed regarding the vodka, it has similarity of the vodka and gin. So first, the distillery, for example, we have Bombay Distillery, right? Bombay Distillery. We have Bombay Distillery. Grains, molasses also. Molasses, it's possible. What else? What else? Depends. Let's say barley or rye. It depends on that. Okay. So again, it would go if they use the gin. The gin or what we call the spirits was already inside of the copper pot still. Okay, so to differentiate the vodka and the gin, let's say this is vodka, okay? This is vodka. Just to differentiate the gin from vodka, they will add as what we call stepping method. So we do have three kinds of distilling process. So we have the steeping method. We have also the vacuum method, or we have the evaporation method. So it depends on the